What's up, O'Brien Army? So, I know I said the excavator video would be the last one, but we're gonna see about this creaky elevator. It may not be the greatest idea, but I'm gonna try it anyways. This may not be the best idea, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Onto this creaky ass elevator. I'm telling you, I might regret this. Hang on for dear life. Hang on for dear life. Oh, this is going to be a disaster. This is the scariest damn elevator I've ever been on. That's the scariest damn elevator I've ever been on. Wow. Hopefully you heard all of the wires on it creaking and stuff, because that was the scariest elevator ride I've ever taken. I won't dare go back down on it though. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.